Hello people, Nano Banana Pro is live, but your prompts are probably trash. You're not using Nano Banana Pro right, and that's why your images look mid. Watch this. You typed one sentence and expected a masterpiece? This is what you get. And this is what I get. Let me fix your prompts in 60 seconds. Let's do it. Most people type boring prompts and get boring results. They blame AI, but the problem is their instructions. This is Pippit, your smart creative agent, and it is now powered by Nano Banana Pro. Sharper details, smarter understanding, more accurate scenes, but powerful results do not come from luck. They come from using the right prompts. Same model, same platform. The only difference is how you talk to Nano Banana Pro. Let me show you how to give prompts for product marketing. This works for product ads, social content, brand visuals, and even client work. One good prompt replaces a whole creative team.
EAM created by Pippit AI.
And even with great prompts, results depend on the platform. Nano Banana Pro runs at 100% on Pippit because of officially optimized templates. Don't just watch, open Pippit AI, try Nano Banana Pro with my prompts. New users get a free trial and 50% off. Comment banana and I'll send you the link and the exact prompt I used. Bye bye.